In this video, we are going to discuss a strategy on how to subtract multi-digit numbers. Now remember, this is only one strategy out of so many out there that you can use to subtract multi-digit numbers. As always, you can pause, rewind, or rewatch this video at any time. Also, don't forget to take good notes and jot down a few questions along the way so that we can have some more discussion about this once you're done watching the video. Let's take a look at strategy 2. Strategy 2 requires us to split it up. So what does that mean? What this means is that we're going to take one of these numbers and we're going to split it up into a couple of other numbers so that it's a little bit easier to do the calculations. Which number do you want to split up? That doesn't necessarily matter. But you want to, again, think about what's easiest for you. So I'm going to take the number 71, and I'm going to split the number 71 up. And I'm going to split that number up into 70 and 1, because 70 plus 1 gives us 71. So what I can do then is I could subtract 932 minus 70 and 932 minus 1. But if I were to ask you to do this mentally, that might be a little bit more work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the number 70, and I'm going to break it down into 10 plus 10 plus 10, 40, 50, 60, 70. And then I'm going to add that 1 at the bottom. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to count backwards. I'm going to subtract backwards. So I'm going to start with 932 because I'm subtracting 71 minus 932. I'm subtracting 932 minus 71. And I'm going to just start doing my subtraction. So 932 minus 10 leaves me with 922. 922 minus 10 leaves me with 912. 912 minus 10 leaves me with 902. 902 minus 10 leaves me with 892. 892 minus 10 leaves me with 882. 882 minus 10 leaves me with 872. 872 minus 10 leaves me with 862. And 862 minus 1 leaves me with 861. And that is my final answer. So all I did here was I took the number 71 and I broke it down. I split it up into easier numbers. Is that the only way that we can split this problem up? The answer to that is no. Take a look at the problem. Can you split it up a different way? Give it a try.